Daddy, are you going to work?
Yes, sweetheart. Daddy has to go to the office.
But I want you to stay and play with me.
I wish I could, but I have a big meeting today.
What's a meeting?
It's when Daddy talks to other people about work.
That sounds boring.
Sometimes it is, but it's important.
Can I come with you, Daddy?
Not today, little one. You have school, remember?
Oh, yeah. I'll draw you a picture at school.
That's wonderful. I'll put it on my desk.
Yay, then you won't miss me.
I'll still miss you. But I'll look at your picture.
Will you come home soon?
Yes, I'll be home before dinner.
Can we play with my toy cars then?
Of course. We'll race them together.
Okay, Daddy. Don't forget to win.
I never win against you, champ. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Mommy, why can't I go with Daddy to the office?
Sweetie, Daddy has to work. And kids aren't allowed in the office.
But I want to be with him.
I know, darling. I miss him too when he's gone.
I'll be bored without Daddy.
If you go with him, who will stay with me? I'll be all alone at home.
Oh no, I don't want you to be alone, Mommy.
That's my good boy.
I wish Daddy didn't have to go to work.
He works so we can have nice things and yummy food.
I still miss him.
How about we visit the neighbors' kids? They're playing outside.
Really? Can I bring my toy car?
Of course. They'll love to see it.
Okay, Mommy. Maybe Daddy will come while I'm playing?
Maybe. And he'll be happy to see you having fun.
I'll tell them. My daddy will play with me later.
That's a great idea. Let's go, my little sunshine.
Mommy, when will Daddy come home?
Soon, sweetheart. He's finishing his work at the office.
But it's already dark outside.
I know, baby. He might be a little late today.
I miss Daddy.
I know you do. Daddy misses you too.
What's he doing at work right now? I think he's playing with his computer.
Maybe a little bit, yes.
Can we call him?
Not yet, love. He's driving home soon.
Okay, I'll wait by the window.
Don't stay too close. It's cold outside.
Mommy, can I draw a picture for Daddy?
That's a lovely idea. He'll be so happy to see it.
I'll draw our family holding hands.
Oh, that's so sweet, my little artist.
When Daddy comes, I'll show him first.
He'll love it, darling. Daddy will be home any minute now.
I'm home! Where's my little champ?
Daddy, you came early just like you promised.
Look who's waiting for you since morning.
Aw, I missed you so much, buddy.
I missed you too, Daddy. We played with my red car today.
Really? That's my favorite car, too.
I showed it to my friends, and we built a racetrack.
Wow, you did all that without me? You're growing up fast!
Hee hee, but we saved another race for you.
Then I better get ready to win!
Not before you wash your hands and have some juice first.
Yes, ma'am, I'll be quick.
Daddy, can we go to the park after that?
Sure, we'll go for a walk and maybe get ice cream, too.
Yay, ice cream and swings.
You two always turn the evening into an adventure.
That's our secret plan, right, champ?
Yes, Daddy, you're my best friend.
And you're my superhero.
My two boys always full of love and fun.
All right. Everyone ready for our evening walk?
Yes, I brought my little car too, Daddy.
Don't forget your cap, sweetheart.
Got it, Mommy. Let's go before it gets dark.
Look at that sunset. It's so beautiful tonight.
The sky looks like orange ice cream.
Ice cream. Can we get some, Daddy?
Of course. A promise is a promise.
But only after we walk a bit, okay?
Okay, Mommy. I'll race Daddy to the bench.
Oh no. I'm going to lose to the fastest boy in town.
Haha, I win. I win.
You two are like kids together?
That's because your son gets it from me.
Daddy, can we get chocolate ice cream?
Sure, 1 chocolate for you. And 1 vanilla for Mommy.
And strawberry for you, right?
You know me too well.
This is the best evening ever.
And it's even better when we're all together. All right, Xanth. Time to get ready for bed.
Already? I don't want the day to end.
Don't worry, buddy. We'll have another fun day tomorrow.
Can we play with my red car again tomorrow, Daddy?
Absolutely. And maybe a little more racing in the park.
First, let's brush our teeth and put on pajamas.
Okay, Mommy. I brushed my teeth really well yesterday.
That's my good boy. Let's see today!
All done, Daddy. Can you tuck me in?
Of course. Let's make sure you're nice and cozy.
Mommy, can you read my favorite bedtime story too?
Sure. Tonight we'll read the story about the little lion.
Yay, I love that one.
After the story, we can say our goodnight hugs.
I want extra hugs tonight, Daddy.
You got it, champ. 1, 2, 3, big hugs.
And kisses, too. Good night, my little sunshine.
Good night, Mommy. Good night, Daddy.
Sleep tight, buddy. Dream of racing your red car.
If you enjoyed this conversation, please hit the like button and subscribe to Easy English with HK. Your support means a lot and helps me create more helpful videos for you.